Have you ever spent days planning the perfect picnic, only to have your excitement washed away by an unexpected downpour? The disappointment of seeing grey clouds roll in just as you're about to enjoy the outdoors is something we all know too well. Imagine if you could simply press a button and summon sunshine whenever you wanted. No more worrying about the weather, just instant blue skies on demand. For thousands of years, people have dreamed of controlling the weather. Farmers praying for rain to save their crops, sailors hoping for calm winds to guide them safely home, and entire communities looking to the sky for hope. We've danced, built monuments, and told stories, all in the hope of influencing the sky and changing our fate. Cultures around the world have created rituals and festivals dedicated to weather. But now, for the first time in history, science is beginning to catch up to our wildest dreams. Technology is opening doors we once thought were locked forever. Can we really control the weather, or is it just a fantasy? The idea seems almost magical, but it's becoming more real every day. Could we one day order rain for thirsty crops, or even steer dangerous hurricanes away from crowded cities, protecting millions of lives and livelihoods? Right now, scientists and engineers are exploring incredible new technologies that might make these possibilities a reality, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The quest to control weather is a wild adventure in chemistry, physics, and engineering, filled with challenges and breakthroughs at every turn. The atmosphere is a complex, ever-changing machine, with every puff of wind and drop of rain playing a part in a giant interconnected system that affects us all. To even begin to control it, we first have to truly understand it, how it works, how it changes, and how we might influence it. So, let's dive deep into the fascinating science behind one of humanity's oldest and most ambitious dreams, controlling the weather. Are you ready to explore the truth about weather control and discover what the future might hold? Let's go on this journey together. So, how do we actually try to change the weather? For centuries, humans have dreamed of controlling the skies, but only recently have we begun to develop the technology to make it possible. One method is cloud seeding. Planes release particles like silver iodide into clouds, helping them produce rain or snow. This technique is already being used in some regions to fight droughts or increase snowfall in water-scarce areas. Some scientists dream even bigger. Imagine giant mirrors in space, designed to reflect sunlight away from Earth and cool the planet, potentially helping to combat global warming. Or picture powerful lasers that could guide dangerous storms away from cities, protecting millions of people from natural disasters. These ideas might sound like science fiction, but they're actually based on real physics and advanced engineering principles, and teams around the world are working to make them a reality. This field is called geoengineering, changing the Earth's weather and climate on a massive, even global scale. Technologies like these are still experimental, but they show just how creative and ambitious science can be when tackling the world's biggest challenges. The challenges are huge. Timing, control, and building these complex systems all require incredible precision and innovation. But every experiment, every test, brings us a step closer to understanding what's truly possible in weather control. Weather control is no longer just a dream. It's quickly becoming a new scientific frontier, full of promise and potential for the future. Imagine a world where the weather is no longer a source of anxiety or uncertainty. Picture a future where we've truly mastered weather control, using advanced technology to shape the skies above us. Farmers could summon rain exactly when their crops need it, ending the cycle of droughts and food shortages that have plagued humanity for centuries. Deadly hurricanes could be steered away from vulnerable cities, and tornadoes could be stopped before they even begin to form, saving countless lives and homes. Natural disasters like floods and wildfires could become rare events, making life safer and more predictable for millions of people around the globe. Everyday life would be transformed. Outdoor festivals would never be rained out, weddings could always have perfect weather, and ski resorts could guarantee fresh snow every season. Renewable energy would flourish, with clear skies boosting solar power and steady winds ensuring turbines run efficiently, helping us fight climate change. International cooperation would become essential as nations work together to responsibly manage the planet's climate and share the benefits of weather control. A global network of satellites and dedicated scientists could monitor the atmosphere, deciding where rain, sunshine, or even snow is needed most to keep the world in balance. It's a vision of humanity using science and innovation to create a safer, more prosperous and harmonious world for everyone. But could we really achieve this level of harmony with nature? Or is it just a dream? The dream of controlling the weather is as vast and limitless as our imagination, inspiring hope and curiosity. Yet, every dream comes with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. Let's take a closer look at the risks and obstacles that stand in the way of this bold vision. With great power comes great responsibility, and weather control is the ultimate power. Changing the weather in one place could cause disasters somewhere else. The butterfly effect is real. Who decides who gets rain or sun? Could weather become a weapon between nations? Mistakes could disrupt ecosystems, harm wildlife, or even spark conflicts. Even with good intentions, we could cause irreversible damage to nature's balance. The risks are enormous, and the consequences unpredictable. We must ask, just because we can, should we? So can we really control the weather? We're just beginning to understand the science and the risks. This isn't just a question for scientists, it's for everyone. Stay curious, ask questions. Learn how our planet works. The more we know, the better choices we'll make for the future. Get involved, start a science club, visit a museum, or do your own weather experiments. The dream of weather control shows how powerful science can be, but also reminds us to respect nature's complexity. Let's keep exploring, learning, and protecting our world. Together, the adventure is just beginning.